One TV special report.
This time, ladies and gentlemen, we will get to know the board of judges for tonight's competition. We will start with judge number 1. Our first judge is 20 years old, from Porokdos, Villaflor, Oroqueta City. A BS Psychology student at Misamis University, Ozami City. Mr. Hong 2023, Oroqueta City. Mr. Supermodel Philippines 2022. Third placer vocal solo of The Voice Ozami City year 2020. Second runner-up, online caroling contest, a dance choreographer, TikToker and social media influencer, presently a member of Misamis University Chorale. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, Fred Paulo Sumailo. Our second judge graduated Bachelor of Science in Nursing at the University of San Carlos, Cebu City. A class valedictorian at Northern Agusan Colleges. Worked at Al-Adha Armed Forces Hospital, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Awarded as Best Hand Majorette during her high school. The granddaughter of the late Mayor Servando Ampo of Masipit, Agusan del Norte. The daughter-in-law of Punong Barangay Benedicto Rosal Sr. and Minda Rosal. Our second judge, Ms. Trisha K. Ampo Rosal. Our next judge is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Office Administration at Western Mindanao State University. Event organizer, road manager of Sofronia Vasquez of Tawag ng Tanghalan of Showtime. Road manager of Mr. Pasilias Chard Ocampo of Showtime. And the presently working at the City Engineer's Office, Mr. Silvestre A. Lapis. Our next judge is a graduate of Bachelor of Marine Engineering at Misamis Institute of Technology in 2023. He became a governor's student in the whole Institute of MIT Maritime School for the school year 2022-2023. He is also pursuing a nursing at Blancha Carrion Foundation, Incorporated at Molave, Zamboanga del Sur. He is also a proud member of the largest LGBTQ in Ozami City, Rosebuds Ozamis. One of the investors in Rosebuds Cooperative, organized some event and traveled different country as well. He was also one of the board of judges during the 82nd Araw ng Lintugop at Aurora Celebration Hip Hop Dance Competition. Our next judge, Joseph Langkong. Our next judge is a student from Tangub City Global College, crowned as Ginoong Sinagtala 2023 in Tangub City Global College, picked as winner of Mr. Wika Suotan 2023. Currently, the Mr. Tangub City Global College, and last May 8, 2024, he was crowned as Mr. Alco 10 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Prince Percival Daguman. Joining them is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy at Medina College, a freelance model, a personality development coach at Campo Reina, Pagadian City. Miss Pasungko Misamis Occidental Festival Queen 2024 first runner-up. Miss Bagakay Tourism 2015 second runner-up. Miss Medina College 2016. Miss Tangub City Eco Tourism 2018. Binibining Oroqueta 2022 first runner-up. Mutiana Camiguin 2022. Miss Baroy Lanao del Norte 2023, the beauty queen herself, Irish Rain Sescon. Our next next judge is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management at Tangub City Global College, and junior officer of the East-West Bank Ozamis branch. Miss God DC 2010, Miss ICG 2012, Miss Ipil Sibugay 2012, Miss Chocon Zanorte 2012, Binibining Tagoloan 2013, Miss Tangub City Tourism 2013, a Launchpad Magazine model of 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, another beauty queen in the list, Sarah Jean Gumbang. Our next judge is a trainer for Binibining Pilipinas and other national beauty pageants. Trained Miss Philippines for Miss United Continents held in Ecuador. Pageant coach, trainer, and host. The education program supervisor of DepEd Ozamis City, Mr. Federico Araniego Jr. To complete our panel of adjudicators for tonight, a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Political Science at La Salle University, cum laude, a Juris Doctor of Laws at Misamis University, President of Rose Bus Ozamis, the largest LGBT community in Northern Mindanao, a City Councilor of Ozamis City, being a minority floor leader and Chairman of Committee on Tourism, Planning, Housing, Resettlement and Information Communication, Chairman of Miss Ascenso Ozamis 2023, Honorable Dinky Suizo. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm applause to all of our judges for tonight. Thank you so much to all of our judges. For another round of competition for tonight, please welcome back on stage, together with our dynamic dancers, our candidates for the Play Suit competition.
I want your body. It's getting hotter. It's getting hotter. The beat is louder. The beat is louder. I know you want me. Stay close to me. I'll be all that you need. Don't deny what you want, baby. I want your body. All I desire. You real like the fire. Just come with me. Come with me. Gonna let it go tonight.
She was chosen to become one of the festival queens in the Sinodal Festival of her school, and it was her first time joining the festivities. Number 6, Angel Raquel Arade. 17 years old Angel. Vital statistics, 33, 25, and 35. As first timer joining the pageant, she wants to embrace and give confidence to herself that she will do her best for this pageant. Number 7, Bernadette D. Robles. 21 years old Bernadette. Vital statistics, 31, 29, and 37. Bernadette Robles has a sense of social responsibility as she is part of community extension program as a social manager.
You realize the fire. Just come with me, come with me. Just gonna let it go tonight. All I want is you. Thousand shades of
Number 8, Chris Armenta. 20 years old Chris Ann. Vital statistics, 31, 26, and 35. She's a dancer from the Lego Aces dance group and have been participating in various competitions such as local, national, and international levels. Number 9, Ella G. Pipones. 16 years old Ella. Vital statistics, 32, 26, and 35. Growing up, she had a very loving family. She had 3 siblings with whom she used to play a lot.
thousand shades.
Once again, our 9 dance main candidates in their Play Suit competition.
Our ladies on stage are all very sexy, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, let us all give them another warm applause. There you go to everyone. At this point, we shall have the awarding of the first set of corporate award. We will start with Miss Dream Nail Salon Choice Award. Congratulations, candidate number 4.
To present the award for Miss Dream Salon Choice Award, may we call on stage Mr. and Mrs. Jordan Pipito and Miss Marie Chris Pipito. The winner will receive a sash and gift bag.
Once again, our Miss Dream Nail Salon Choice Award goes to candidate number 4. Our next award, ladies and gentlemen, is Miss J&L Motor Parts and Accessories Choice Award. Congratulations, candidate number 5.
To present the award for Miss J&L Motor Parts and Accessories Choice Award, we have Miss Leia Alfanta.
corporate award for tonight is Miss Simazo Babe Clouds Choice Award. Congratulations, candidate number 3.
To present the Miss Simazo Babe Clouds Choice Award, may we call on stage Miss Barbie Saldivar. The winner will receive a sash and bouquet.
Next award, ladies and gentlemen, is Miss Estikaran Choice Award. You got the award, candidate number 1.
To present the Miss Estikaran Choice Award, may we call on stage Mr. Cat L. Serino.
Award for tonight is Miss Flores Choice Award. Congratulations, candidate number 2.
To present the Miss Flores Choice Award, we call on stage Miss Leonora Abarcas.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is the Miss Angela Rasselov Choice Award. Congratulations, candidate number 9.
To present the Miss Angela Rasselov Choice Award, we call on stage Mr. Marjabal Manimo.
Next award is Miss Joanna Clan Choice Award. Congratulations, candidate number 8.
To present the Miss Joanna Clan Choice Award, may we call on stage Miss Melanie Lumake, to be represented by Mr. Louis J. Nakamai and Mr. Arthur L. Florida. The winner will receive a sash and cash prize.
Our last corporate award for this set is Miss Nelly's Food Product Choice Award. Congratulations, candidate number 7.
To present the Miss Nelly's Food Product Choice Award, may we call on stage Miss Jade Or Amin.
Moving forward to our celebration for tonight, let us have the awarding of our major awards. We will start with the Best in Production number. Congratulations, Best in Production number, candidate number 8.
To present the award for Best in Production number, may we call on stage Punong Barangay Honorable Benedicto F. Rizal Sr. together with Barangay Treasurer Miss Sherelle Pipito. The winner will receive a sash.
Congratulations, candidate number 8. Another major award for tonight, the Best in Production Attire. Congratulations, candidate number 1.
To present the Best in Production Attire, may we call on stage Honorable McCoy Caurino together with Honorable Guadencio S. Dulugan Jr. The winner will receive a sash.
is our Miss Photogenic. And we will reveal to everyone our Miss Photogenic, please.
To present the award for Miss Photogenic, may we call on stage Honorable Marie E. Martin together with Honorable January B. Kilo.
Our Miss Photogenic is candidate number 6. Congratulations, Miss Photogenic candidate number 6. Another major award for tonight, the Miss Telegenic. Congratulations, candidate number 1.
To present the Miss Telegenic Award, may we call on stage Honorable Patrick S. Garoy together with Honorable Wendelin B. Abrigado.
Our last award for this set is our Miss Congeniality. Congratulations, Miss Congeniality is candidate number 7.
To present the award for Miss Congeniality, may we call on stage Honorable Espejon B. De La Cruz together with Honorable J. Will Pulala and Bianca Wilma Sumalco.
So much to everyone. Let us give another warm applause to all of our winners here in front. Thank you so much, ladies, and please prepare for your next exposure. The night is still young, ladies and gentlemen. This time, we shall hear another special message from one of our city councilors. And to speak on behalf of our city mayor, Attorney Indy Waminal Jr., ladies and gentlemen, Ascenso Ozami City Councilor, Chairperson, Committee on Cooperative, ang Inday ng Barangay. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Lorly Fuentes Cipre.
Maayong gabi! Bye-bye Triumfo! Malipayon ba mo na naata karon nagkatipok dinhi? Una ang akong kap, pagpasensya, medyo na late good me. Akong ipasabot sa tanan na si Cons Dinky bitaw no, naglukso-lukso in tawo na siya og sakyanan. Kay kaganiha, gikan pa man gyud mi sa Camiguin. Sakay siya sa coaster. Pagkahuman, gusto gyud siya mo catch up kay chairman biya siya sa aning ato ang occasion karon sumotong balhin na pud siya sakyanan gikan sa coaster kang VM dayon kang Attorney Mars ning sakay sa barge. So ingon ana pud kapalangga ang Bye-Bye Triumfo ni Konsehal Dinky. Ato sa pakpakan. So in behalf ni Mayor Indy, our hardworking mayor, kami, allow me to introduce tagsa-tagsa no ang ato ang Team Ascenso. Kay sa giingon pa ng kapitan kaganiha, nagmalampuson, ingon ani kagwapo ang ato ang activity tungod sa Team Ascenso. Labi na gayod sa atuang mga visionary, manggihuna-hunaon na 3 pillars na to. So allow me to acknowledge our Governor Henry S. Waminal Sr. Pakpakan na to kusog. Kay siya na ba ang nagmugna sa Team Asenso? Ikaduha, ato pong pasalamatan or acknowledge ang congressman na kanunay gyud intawong tua dasig kay dito sa Manila pangitag mga proyekto para ibukbo sa ato ang barangay sa 2nd District. Atong pakpakan, Congressman Ando Waminal. Ug ang ikatulo na kanunay gahuna-huna sa atong dakbayan sa Usamis. Gani sa gingon pa ni Kapitan, 500,000 kap ang gibukbo kada barangay. Di ba kap nakuhaan og 50,000? Pero unsay gibuhat sa atong mayor? Gidungagan og 50,000 kay dili siya gusto na makuhaan. So muna na ang atong 3 pillars, grabe gyud ka manggihuna-hunaon, no? Sa katawhan. So mauna na dili na maingon ani karon uban sa Team Asenso sa atong inahan sa konseho, Honorable Simplicia Bebineri, ug sa akong mga kauban. I-allow po ko ug ako silang tagsa-tagsa na i-acknowledge kay kaming tanan full support man gyud ta ug unsay hangyo sa atong gobernador na mosuporta sa atong Asenso Misamis Occidental kay nag-NM raaman dito sa Camiguin. So kaming tanan agto gyud mi dito. Pero despite ana na amo ang time hectic kaayo, pero kami ni Cons Dinky naningkamot mi na makaanhi gyud dinhi sa Baybay Triumpo. No? So allow me, Honorable Simplicia Bebineri, atong pakpakan atong Vice Mayor. Ang atong City Councilor, Honorable Katkat Lim. Honorable Archie Romero. Honorable Cecil Co. Honorable, naasa akong atubangan, ako na pong balikon ang pinakagwapang manday ninamo, Honorable Dinky Suiso. Next is Honorable Saulo Salvador. Honorable Daniel Lau. Honorable Junjun Sakin. Honorable Attorney Mars Tapayan. Honorable Carlo Moralion. Honorable Relinda Bation ug ang atong Federated SK Honorable John Phil Duhay Lungsod. So kining tanan na mga lideres, Honorable Sunny Waminal, sorry, akong nalimtan, no? So, kinita ng mga lideres, kanunay ning nagkahiusa. Maunang paspas kaayo ang pagpasar unsay mga request sa barangay kay ang atong mga lideres nagkahiusa. Same thing pod sa barangay. Mauna na ang atong Team Asenso nangita gyud og partner, no? Sa barangay, and atong pasalamatan ang tanang mga katawhan dinhi naning sanong mo sa pagpili sa maong mga Team Asenso. And now gusto nako, allow me, no? Tungod sa inyong mga lideres sa barangay, nagmalampuson ang inyong mga activities sa ilang kakugi. So tungod, makita na to karon, grabe ka organize, nindot kaayo, murag dili naman ni pang barangay level lang, mura naman gyud ni siya o pang Miss Usamis na gyud, Cons Dinky, di ba? So gusto na akong tagsa-tagsa na panhion dinhi ang atong mga barangay officials kay tungod sa ilang gibuhat, no? Sa inyong barangay. Allow me, Kapitan Tudik Rosal, ang atong barangay captain dinhi active sa kaayo ni Kagawad Martin. Si Kagawad De La Cruz, Kagawad Chong, Kagawad Gakrama, Kagawad Kagas, Kagawad Daroy, ug ang atong asa man to atong SK Chairman, Kagawad Kilo-Kilo. So nakita ninyo karon ang inyong mga lideres na very active kaayo sa atoang mga magpadaplin sa kubi kay mga gwapo-gwapa kaayo mo sa inyong mga attire karon. So akong i-congratulate silang tanan naa sa inyong atubangan kay tungod sa panagiusa, tungod sa ilang mga lihok sa barangay. Any concern sa inyong barangay, hospitalization, funeral service, tanan-tanan na mga aktibidades naa ni silang tanan, andam mo alagad kaninyo. O karon Kap and all the councilors, congratulations sa inyong nahimo karon. So salamat kaayo sa inyong pwede na sad mo lingkod. Ako lang gyud mong gipasaka kay tungod ako gyud mo gi-acknowledge para makita mo sa kadaghanan ug unsa mo ka epektibo sa inyong mga trabaho. Daghang salamat Kap. Daghang salamat city councilors. Ay, barangay councilors. So siguro napaabot naman ni Kapitan kaganiha, no? Unsa ang Team Asenso mohatag og serbisyo. So mauna na ang amo lang panghinaot dinha kaninyo mag-usag gyud ta sa kanunay para aron padayon ang atong pag-asenso, para aron mapadayon nato ang 5Ms, no? Na ang misamis nun magpuyong, malinawon, malambuon, ug malipayon. So dili na nako tas-on kay excited na kay ang tanan sa ato ang Miss Asenso Bye-Bye Triumph Tourism 2024. So moingon ko advance happy fiesta ug again maayong gabi kanatong tanan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Loralee Cipres Fuentes.
One TV special report.